Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5S, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, you will need to turn off your device by holding the power button. Now when you start holding it, you will have one of those pedal, whatever HUAWEI uses as their AI engine, show up. Ignore it and keep on holding the power button till you have the actual boot options visible. There we go. And we're going to select power off. Now, when the device turns off, you then want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. Now, when you start to see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. So from here, once we are in our recovery mode, we can now select clear data. And in here, you'll find wipe cache partition. So that's what we're going to click on. And as you can see, it's pretty quick. It's already finished. So now we're going to select the back and restart. And this will reboot the device. Come on. Camera, please stay focused. There we go. And this will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, obviously it will enter the HarmonyOS. I wanted to cover those speakers. This is obnoxiously loud. Winnie the Pooh must be freaking deaf. Anyway, that's about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.